mga swamates. Online kami ngayon sa Toyota Batangas and meron kaming sasaksiyan na maglalabas na naman. Actually, 2 days ago. 2 days ba? Oo, 2 days ago.
Kalalabas ko na.
Nakalabas lang niya, Bios. Tapos ngayon, meron ulit maglalabas.
Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there. You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I land.
Ito na guys, may second car. Journey Katas ng Suwa. Kung ikaw member na at nakikita mo yung resulta namin, alam ko kayang-kaya mo din yan. Kaya tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan.